Say hi. No, you can't have the camera. It's not a challenge. Is that your book?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that stars? Coins?
Yeah.
Stars? Can you say apple?
Yeah.
Yeah? There's the kitty. Can you say kitty?
Yeah.
Kitty? Fish? Fish?
Yeah.
You want to go back to the kitten? I know you like the kitty. Yes, you're too cute. What's that? Yeah? Tell me. Are you reading to me? Is those shoes? Look at the front ones. There's blueberries and a ball. Pears. You like pears, huh? You eat them all the time. Yes, you do. God bless you, Daddy. God bless you, Daddy. Yeah. What are you doing? You gonna read to Mama? Olive. Bean Bean. Bean Bean. She's just engrossed in this book. Yeah? Is those blueberries? You like those too, huh? Yeah. Is that cheese? Cheese? Duck?
I took and melted down some butter,
Oh.
poured it over it.
Oh, of course you did. Are you just craving popcorn or what? Cheese? Is that cheese? Can you say flour? Good girl. Cheese. That's the ducky. The cheese is over here, but close enough. Cheese?
Boo boo. Come back.
Where are you going? Why are you sad? Do you want some water? Who is that?
Boo boo.
Hi, Bean Bean. Hey.